Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cramner. Sorry I'm out today. My daughter is sick, so I'm here to leave you a couple short videos to get you through the day today. First of all, I'm going to have you guys get with your sectional partners, the partners that you guys picked out as part of our tournament talk yesterday. So the activity that you're going to be working on together with that one single sectional partner is going to be building towards your tournament points. So just be ready to be on your A game for that. Once you have watched this video, and you're going to kind of tick away at a couple of the videos as you need them throughout your work today. But basically, once you've watched this video, I'm going to ask you to go to the week 18 folder and open up the equation stacking puzzles activity. It is going to be done in PDF Expert, which is not typical for me, but today that's what we're doing. You're each going to have your own file to complete, but obviously I'm putting you with partners, so you're allowed to work together to accomplish it. You're welcome to use scrap paper and pencil as well as a calculator to do any of your necessary work, but you will need to fill in your final answers on the PDF on your iPad to submit. Basically today it's going to be a little different than usual. You're going to work until you're finished. Or you are as far as you can get. This activity, these puzzles, progressively get harder. Puzzle 1 is the easiest, and then they get harder and harder as you work your way up through puzzle 6. So you might max out, basically, is what I'm saying, on your ability to keep going. And that's part of the challenge today. You just work as hard as you can to get as many right answers as you can towards your tournament points. Basically, I need you to hear me on this to kind of give yourself some parameters. In these puzzles, most of your answers are going to be integers, but there will be some that are small decimals, meaning 1 or 2 decimal points. You will not have anything larger than 2 decimal points. I believe there may be 1 or 2 that are fractions. I think there's a 1/3 in there. So if you happen to have changed your fractions to decimals, you might get a repeating decimal. But if you keep the numbers in their original form, keep fractions, and keep decimals, you should be able to keep your parameters that there really shouldn't be any crazy decimals, more than 1 decimal point. Okay? So that can kind of set your guidelines as to whether you're getting the right answers or not as you go through some of this work, okay? So hear me now loud and clear. This activity, this equation stacking puzzle activity does not need to be completely finished, all right? I just want you to work hard through the whole period, get as much done with quality that you can, and then just submit what you can finish or what you had time to finish in the period. You don't need to work on it outside of class. It is not homework. However, I did post in the updates in Schoology today, if you want to continue working on it in Academic Assist on Wednesday, Thursday, and or Friday with your partner, you may. If you want to accept that challenge and kind of go for more tournament points, you are welcome to do that. But please know this is not homework. It's not required. Once you get finished and or you're maxed out on where you can get in this stacking puzzles activity, I would like you to finish off by going to buzzmath.com, log in using Google, and then I have assigned to you one topic for this week that you can work on if and when you finish the activity from above. Buzz Math is not due till next Monday, so just keep that in mind. You've got time. All right? So those are your instructions. I'm going to drop another few even shorter videos on how to do the activity. I just can't make the videos too long or they won't upload. So here's your directions. Pop back in for the next video in just a second here.